Hello, we are trying to find the area of the shaded region that we have here. So this is in relation to this question. Okay, so what we'll do is we will call this portion of the area A and this portion B. Okay, this is a triangle. That's easy to do, which will be half base times height. Again, I've called this portion A and I'm calling this portion B. B here, we have area of a triangle, and the area of a triangle we know is half base times height. So let's settle B first. This value here we know it's given the question. Okay, the x value here is given as pi over 4. All I need is this value here. But I know the equation of this line. Okay, we found the equation of this line as y equals to 1 over 4x minus pi over 16. That was the normal. We found the equation of the normal as 1 over 4x minus pi over 16. Therefore, the y value here is negative pi over 16. Therefore, this value here will be pi over 16. That is the base. The height is pi over 4. So I can use half base times height. Let me look at my solution. Area of B, half base times height, half times pi over 4 times pi over 16. You will get pi squared over 128. Now what's left is the area of A. To find the area of A, shaded region A, let me write it here. I'm going to use y dx. Okay, using an integral. So y I know it's 4 cos 2x over 3 minus sine 2x. And the values of x go from 0 to pi over 4. Okay, that's setting up the integral. That's what you see here. Okay. Now, what do we need to solve or rather work out this integral? We're going to use the formula f prime x over fx equals to ln fx plus c. That's the formula we're going to use. Now, we notice that when we differentiate the denominator is 3 minus sine 2x. When you differentiate the denominator, you will get minus 2 cos 2x. Okay, when you differentiate the bottom, you will get minus 2 cos 2x. But here it's 4 cos 2x. Why don't we just clean this up a little bit, put a minus 2 in front and take out a minus 2. That's what you see here. Okay, I've taken out a minus 2 and left one minus 2 inside, so that minus 2 times minus 2 is still 4. So now I have an integral which I can easily write down. So I have minus 2 from here, and this one here will be just log of 3 minus sine 2x. Again, this minus 2 is the one that's outside, and the integral of this is log of 3 minus sine 2x. And the limits, of course, going from 0 to pi over 4. Now what's left? Just plug in, yeah? Just plug in pi over 4 first, and then you plug in 0. You will get minus 2 times log 2 minus log 3. Cleaning this up, you will get 2 log 3 minus 2 log 2. And you know that 2 log 3 will be, let me write it here. 2 log 3 will be log 3 squared, which is log 9. That's what you see here. And then 2 log 2, of course, similarly it is log 2 squared, which is log of 4. And we know that log 9 minus log 4 will be log 9 over 4. And that is your answer for the area A. So the total area will be the area of the triangle, which is pi squared over 128 plus log 9 over 4. And we are done.